This is the Vitamix VTX Wet 140 container, the 1.4-litre classic designed for performance and durability. Inside, you've got stainless steel, laser-cut blades built to stay sharp, even with heavy daily use. They power through frozen fruit, fibrous vegetables, hot soups, or creamy sauces, delivering smooth, consistent blends every single time. Because the container is slightly shorter than larger Vitamix jars, it's more practical in the kitchen. It's compact, easier to handle, and more likely to fit neatly under standard cupboards, so you don't have to keep moving it around or storing it elsewhere. Cleaning is effortless. Simply add warm water with a drop of detergent, switch it on high, and in less than a minute it rinses itself clean. No need to scrub or take anything apart. Built tough for home kitchens and professional chefs alike, this container is versatile, reliable, and engineered for years of use. From smoothies and juices to sauces, soups, or desserts, the Vitamix VTX Wet 140 container makes blending simple, effective, and stress-free every time.